So hello guys, today we're going to make pancakes but without the egg because like I told you, I'm not allowed egg. So this is 5 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar, and a cup of milk and flour. We're going to put a little bit of food coloring. Usually add milk like this. So we're going to put some sugar. All? Think all. All. Now we just mix it. Ooh, looking so yum. Oh no. More milk. By the way, it has 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Keep on mixing until there's no more lumps. I'll just put food coloring. So it's more yellow than it's supposed to be. It's almost done, so when there's no more lumps, because there's only a little, it'll cook it. So now we're going to put some butter. Oh, it's perfect, I think. Flip it. Flip it, flip it. Oh, perfect pancake! Perfect on my first try, oh my god. I'll just do a little dance. I'll take care of Where do we put? Eh. Oh, look like the sides are already frying. What happened? What happened? This is the last one and the biggest one. It's for my mommy. And it's all done. I made it by myself. This is the first one. It's so perfect. Since we put the butter already, we're going to put the honey. These are Americans who are watching. We have syrup, but we're just deciding to use honey. Let's eat! yummy.